Why Justice Binta Muritala-Nyako can no longer preside over Nnamdi trial, IPOB leaders' legal team. And now to the news info. The legal team of the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi, led by Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, has maintained that Justice Binta Muritala-Nyako can no longer conduct Kanu's trial after being recused from the case. The legal team made this known in a statement issued on Monday by Ejimakor after Kanu's appearance at the Federal High Court, Abuja, where the case was adjourned indefinitely. This matter, now. The legal team stated that the process by which Justice Nyako exited from the case as the trial judge was a judicial event, noting that it emanated from the court order she made on September 24, 2024. Kanu's legal team said a plain reading of the order shows that her lordship graciously consented to the recusal, and that alone amounts to something. You are the one that said you don't want to do the case again. Now you are coming back that you want to come back and do the case because some other judiciary are saying no, they don't want to take up Kanu's case. Why do you want to take it back? You were the one that said you were not doing it again. You graciously consented to it. So what are you looking for again? They don't want you any longer. The said order is extant and subsisting and was never appealed. So to this day, it remains valid in all ramifications, such that it strains the legality of the hearing conducted before the same judge today, 10th of February. The IPOB leaders' legal team stated that Justice Nyako cannot review, reopen, or revisit the matter of her recusal because she no longer possesses the jurisdiction and she has become functus officio. Okay? The legal team stressed the principle of functus officio is not just a principle of procedure only. It is more of a question of jurisdiction and competence of a court of law, such as the trial court, to give a judgment and thereafter revisit it or conduct further post-judgment proceeding. It's not going to be possible now. You've already given a judgment on something. The question, therefore, is whether a court can competently assume jurisdiction over a case it had concluded. I wonder. The team noted that according to the law, once a judge gives a decision or makes an order on a matter, he no longer has the competence or jurisdiction to give another decision or order on the same matter. You've already given your decision, you now want to give another decision again. The legal team stated, "We have been informed by our client Mazi Nnamdi, and we have obtained a copy thereof, that he has initiated a petition or a complainant bordering on judicial misconduct against Honorable Justice Binta Muritala-Nyako. This alone, without more, is enough to oust the justice from subjecting Mazi to any trial before her court. Again, now, it is against the rule of natural justice, equity and good conscience, and even the cons, for a judge against whom a defendant has preferred a petition to, before the disposition of such petition, continue to preside over the trial of such a defendant. This is very easy to understand for lawyers and lay people alike. Okay? Compare and contrast with someone being a judge in his or her own case, or being a judge over you when she is a defendant in case you initiated against her. The petition or complaint was filed on 14th January 2025 and it is pending. We make bold to say that the ball is firmly and exclusively in the court of the federal government, in the sense that since it has proved unable to bring Mazi Nnamdi to trial within a reasonable time, the next best thing, which is also lawful and constitutional, is to end this whole saga honorably. End this whole thing. Why are you stressing this man in the first place? By releasing Nnamdi, either through restoration of his bail or otherwise any means that they want to do, because in the first place, this man they've told them to release this man in the first place. Before all this Wakajude going back and forth for trial and what is not. Really, they should just do the honorable thing and release the man. They should release him. What are they holding him for? By a discontinuance of a case that was burdened by the indices of internecine in politics from its inception 10 years ago in 2015, the best thing for them is just to let this man go. That's the easiest thing for them. Durumafe says the only competent judge has tried and ran away. MK has videos of all the atrocities committed by that useless Buhari government. Buhari, his kinsmen and brutal nearly killed the whole Nigerians, and there are videos to that effect. And those videos are enough to give us Biafra. They know very well and they are scared of that. Those videos also justify the formation of a vigilante group, ESN, because you just can't fold hands and watch your people being killed by people who are supposed to protect them. They are scared. Okay? Fazil Boss says the best and easiest way to bury an expired and dead country like Nigeria is to corrupt the judicial system. Nigeria will eventually be buried in this miscarriage of justice. We really hope not, because really the justice system in our country is trash. It's really, really trash. Acrobatic judgments, illegal trials and lawlessness. I'm telling you, our demands are simple: release MNK and conduct a peaceful referendum. Shekena, to solve Nigeria Biafra question once and for all. That is why I don't like the people that are begging, please, President, help us release Nnamdi. Release him, please temper justice with mercy. If you people do that, they are going to give this man a condition. Definitely, they are going to give him a condition that, okay, once we are releasing you, because your people are begging, they want to kill us with begging, so we are going to release you, but you are not going to be fighting for Biafra again. You are not going to be agitating for whatever again. So what is the essence of all the time that he has spent in DSS custody since 2021? That's a waste of fighting. So really, they should stop begging for him. He didn't do anything. He didn't commit any crime. They should leave him alone and stop all this illegal trial that they are doing. All the acrobatic judgment, miscarriage of justice, unlawful trials and lawlessness only strengthens our desire and determination to exit Nigeria. As far as this generation of Biafrans are concerned, one thing is certain: Biafra must be restored. It doesn't matter what the lawless international kidnapping government of Nigeria thinks, say or do, one thing is certain: Biafra must be restored. Okay? Maazike Okwasha says Nigeria is a disgrace before international community. What an injustice to an innocent man, really. It's really an injustice, really, because he's not the only one that is fighting for the referendum. He's not the only one. Yoruba people are also fighting for referendum. Sunday Igboho fought for the same thing that Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. And these people, they are justified. They are justified with all of the things that people have done to them during the civil war and everything. Even till today, they still feel marginalized. They are not asking for too much. If you don't want us in politics, if you don't want us to be president, you don't want to put us in better positions that we deserve, no wahala, we are not fighting. You just give us our referendum. Let us have our own Biafra nation. See, what is the big deal here? I really do not say a big deal there, because I don't know why. You keep marginalizing the people. You act as if you don't like them. You keep saying you like them, but you are not proving it. And they say they want to go and create their own country and make their lives better for themselves. Shekena, what are they asking for that is too much? That you now decide to keep this man in custody since all this while for nothing. He didn't kill anybody. He didn't do anything. So what is it? They should leave this man and let him go, I beg. Ubachuku says truth can never be defeated. Nigerian government should know that the more they hide the truth, the more destruction for them. Long live MNK. Long live. I just pray that he's okay. My listeners, over to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.